Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can see someone's reposts in TikTok. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video. Write your comments after watching. And let's get started on this topic. So friends, first you will need, of course, to open the TikTok application itself. Then absolutely on any video, you can go to the person's page if you click on their image. And here to see the reposts of this user, you will need to find this 2 arrow sign. Click on it. And here, friends, you will be able to see all the reposts of the person. That is, the video that the person has reposted to his page. If you, let's say, go to a person's page and you don't have this button here, you don't see it. This means that this user, he has hidden his reposts or has not added anything to the reposts to his page yet. So you won't be able to see them. So this feature, unfortunately, is not as publicly available. You can check if a user has reposts or not and view them. That's how you can see someone's reposts on their TikTok page, friends. I really hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, write comments, and see you soon.